Okay, so this is just a revision lesson on the 16th funk patterns and 4-bar phrases, sheet 1. So what we've been having a look at is 16ths between the hi-hats and snare, and then you're starting with both sticks on the hi-hat, coming down to the snare with the right hand to do the backbeat, so that one there, okay. And then once you've got that going, you can add your bass drum in as well. We're going to play the whole of number 1 3 times. So I'll just play that for you now. Okay, so just make sure when you start, you've got both sticks on the hi-hats there. And we're going... Just practice that hand pattern through a few times so you're really happy with that first. When you're happy with that, add in the bass drum. So the bass drum happens on the very first hi-hat that you do, and then halfway through the bar, so it goes. So I've just played one whole bar there. Now what we're going to do is play another 2 times on top of that, so 3 times in total. And that's your first challenge to get through. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Again. And then we can put any fill at the end there. Perhaps you'd like to vary it and do a different fill as well at the end. Okay, so that is number 1. Start off with that one. When you're happy with number 1, you can play it smoothly with no mistakes 3 times. Then move on to number 2. Number 2 starts the same, so it has. But then it has 2 bass drums in the next bit. So you need to get the right stick lined up with the bass drum. So. Don't forget to come back down to the snare drum as well. It will seem like it's coming up quicker, the snare, but it's just because we're filling up the gap before it by doing another bass drum. So this is the whole of number 2. Okay, and again, just go around that slowly. Then if you can get it 3 times in a row, and do a fill at the end, perfect. Then you're ready to move on to number 3, if that's the case. Number 3 is swapped round, so you're going to start with your 2 bass drums straight down to the snare. So this is number 3. And I'll do that again. Okay, so just again practice that slowly, and we'll do 2 more today, so you've gone halfway through the sheet. Number 4 is like the start of number 3, but then you do it again, so you're always doing 2 bass drums, okay? So this is number 4. And then you keep going in that fashion. So again, just have a little bit of work on that. If you're happy with that one, the last one for you to do is number 5. This is a bit different because at the end you can see there's 2 snares. They're on the 3rd space up, so a little bit higher. So you're going to stay down there and do 2 snares like that. Okay. Here's number 5. And hopefully you recognise the 2 snares at the end there. I'll do that one more time. again, do that one 3 times, fill at the end. And if you can do all of those really smoothly, you're doing really, really well. And then we can finish off by looking at the rest of the sheet next time.